Hey everybody, I'm Nick Pride here with
Davis Pride.
and we're here to tell you about Grocery Cat. Now Grocery Cat is a book written by Davis and we wrote it a couple months ago and I said, wouldn't it be fun to have a Grocery Cat Christmas special?
We make a Christmas video every year.
That's right, we like to make a Christmas video every year, so why not Grocery Cat? So without further ado, we present the Grocery Cat Christmas special. Merry Christmas, everyone.
And it's gonna be the best one yet.
Yeah.
It's snowing. Frisco Whisker. Hey, Caddy. Guess what? It's snowing. Do you want to come over? Yeah, sure. Frisco Whisker, come help me make cookies for Santa. For Santa? Yeah, but I'm out of milk and eggs. Let's drive over to the grocery store. Okay, Publix or Foodies? Publix!
The Grocery Cat Christmas Special will return after these messages.
I'm Harrison Pride, and I'm here to tell you about my greatest invention, marshmallow stew. And here's how you make it. First, the marshmallow fluff. Second, applesauce. Third, you add cheese. Hot sauce. You add tartar sauce. Marshmallow fluff stew. Homemade. Now available at Publix. Hi, I'm Davis Pride, and I'm the inventor of the cat pot. It's like a crock pot, but it cooks cat food too. You can cook squishy cat food, munchy cat food, crunchy cat food, and squishy cat food in this cat pot. You can find this at Foodies, www.com, and also at Foodies, the grocery store. Pick it up now before it's too late. I'm Jack Pride, and this is my family-sized huge Christmas tree. It comes with 100 ornaments and lots of lights and an angel on top. Find this at Foodies for only $99.99. It's yours if you do that. It's Christmas trees, it's Christmas-tastic. Last time I went to Publix, all the shelves are empty. Weird. Looks like they're all stocked up now. Wait, no milk or eggs. Time to go to Foodies. Oh no! Foodies doesn't have anything at all. Something fishy's going on here. Not so fast, my furry friend. Look over there. Milk and eggs. Oh, what is that mysterious hole? Frisco Whisker. No! Ah! I'm falling! I'm still falling! It's a bottomless pit! Frisco Whisker, can you help me get out of this hole? I would help, but I don't have any rope.
The Grocery Cat Christmas Special will return after these messages.
I'm Jack Pride, and I'm the president of Foodies. Everyone switch to Foodies and get all the food your family can desire. Oh, and there's also a deal that's running where everyone gets free milk every day. I'm sure those kitties will like that. Free milk every day I'm Davis Pride, and I'm presenting fish beds. It's like a water bed, but fish nibble on you. It might be annoying, but it gives you a nice massage. You can find these at Foodies. They're only $70.99. That's fish beds. They're little fishy. Hey, I'm Harrison Pride, and I'm going to be telling you about burgers. These are burgers, but they're frozen. They're cold yet delicious. You can find these in the Publix frozen food aisle. Burgers! Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, grocery store! Santa, help us! What's wrong, Caddy? Frisco Visco is stuck in a mysterious bottomless hole. Ho, ho, no! I have an idea. I'll sprinkle my magic dust in there. Whoa! It's a Christmas miracle. Thanks, Santa. Merry Christmas, boys. Christmas? Oh, no. We didn't make your cookies yet, Santa. I can help you. Wait, I'm out of chocolate chips. Oh, Caddy, you really are a grocery cat. Here we go again.